One egg?
One egg. And you said there's an egg over here?
Yep. Egg in the corner of the Bantam bin because they don't like to lay in the freaking thing.
Ah, fuck me, that hurt. God, my fingernail.
2.
Fuck. What's up, old girl? I need some arrow feathers. Oh, there's one over there. Nice. Yeah, let me get that.
Hi, girls and gentlemans. Hi, pretty girls. Pretty boy. Hello, babies. Oh.
Eggito on the ground. Let's start over. Perfect. Look at this. Like how they weighed them.
So that makes 7.
Little shitty ones.
3, 6, 7. The one on the ground is 8.
8.
9, 10. 11, 12. 13. 14, 15. 16, 17.
Stop it.
18, 19, 20.
There's one more.
21.
You keep your feathers.
22, 23. 24, 25.
Ooh, look at that
26. 27, 28.
one. A couple of greens in here, too.
29, 30. 31, 32, 33. 34. 35, 36, 37. 38, 39. Is that all of them?
No.
40, 41, 42, 43. Is that all of them?
I think so.